Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A77s. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter password and security. Go to lock screen password, and as you can see right here, we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. Let's firstly turn off the password and start with the numeric. Now use a different password type. And as you can see, we've got three types of numeric passwords: 6 digits, 4 digits, 4 to 16 digits. Let's only set 4 digits because basically they are the same and the only difference is length of the password. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select alphanumeric, and to create alphanumeric password, enter at least 4 characters. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. When it's done, go back and enter face. Now scan your face in this area. Once my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to fingerprint, and now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now you can use the fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.